Hello everyone, I am back. A little bit of explanation what's going on. Videos will be erratic again for a little while. So this is what, 20th of January 2026. I sadly lost my job as part of a massive job cut at the end of 2025, just before Christmas. Also had my phone and my computer stolen, so there's been no other things. I ordered a computer because I had a job lined up, and when I went to that job it was not what I was told it was going to be, and quite frankly bloody awful. But because I had options when I went to that job, and I was just like, because I didn't, even when I went and I agreed to that one, I thought this could be a short-term thing, very short-term, but I didn't know how short-term meant at the time. And I lasted a day before suffering an awful lot of pain, because I wouldn't have done the job I wouldn't have taken the job if they were actually honest with the role. I got told it was going to be a lot of paperwork and testing and machinery based things, only for them to say on the day, oh no, you're going to be stuck in a little tiny area, just twisting to the left, and then we'll sort you, see, twisting to the right. Absolute agony. I tried ordering a new pin lock for this helmet, and none of the ones I've ordered, despite having this helmet on the picture, on the advert, and this is actually a proper pin lock now, the last one just wasn't a fitter. This one, no luck. So needless to say, end of last year, not my best friend. Start of this year, not my best friend. So I'm sort of in that catch-22 at the minute, where I've got no money coming in, but I've got all the time in the world to go and record. I thought I'll take this because I've got half a tank of fuel on it, and I'll go from there. So yeah, it's an absolute shambles. What an absolute load of shite that's been. But I've now had 6 months with the Tiger. Covered not any long trips yet. All the plans I had for long trips sort of got thrown out the window as soon as I knew there was redundancies coming. And got bitten quite hard on that. It's quite a shame, I like my job. And I would have fought to the end for that job, but it's just what it is. Trump's tariffs put too much of a squeeze on the industry. Didn't see a future. But yes, I am back. Whether this footage is the light of day, I don't know. But we're going to go take the Tiger for a wash. I was going to do it in my garage, but I had to go out anyway, so I'm leaving the car because my wife also lost her job. We worked at the same place, both lost our jobs, double screwed. But yeah, gotta love a Norfolk back road. This is the perfect bike for this bit. I did stop recording before I knew I lost my job, before all this stuff was taken away, because I said I wouldn't do anything miserable again. Well, this is more of an update than actual miserable. I have positive hopes for going forward. It's the wrong time to kind of blink to try and scratch your nose, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is just an update. It's not negative, it's an update. We started off a bit negative, but yes, I will be back recording sporadically. Is that the word? Sporadically? One of those. I'll also be recording for the gaming channel again. It's been a massive pain. I put a lot of money into that PC. Luckily, well, sort of luckily, I ordered a PC before, because when I thought I've got a job lined up, Then I ordered a PC, which now, because of what's going on with RAM shortages and GPU shortages, etc., is, you know, if I sold the parts, I'd easily make the money back if it gets that bad. I'm alright for now. I just, you know, would rather not spend the money if I don't have to. But yes, there should be footage coming back. I've been looking into some different ideas, including a 2-person ride out, which was to be planned more than anything at the minute. These heated grips never need more than 50%. They're Oxfords. People who've got Oxford grips will know what I'm on about, but they are glorious. That was not 30 mile an hour. That was a bit cheeky of me. I'm going to enjoy putting my foot down a little bit, and I will speak to you when I get to the car wash. Oh, fuck, of course that's there. God damn it. Oh, I was going to give it a fucking jet wash. Sod it. You know, I'm still following this guy. Ass. Oh well. Maybe I won't take it for a wash. That just shows me off for being lazy. Oh, I'm going to take it to a jet wash. Get a bucket and sponge, you melon. It's better for it anyway. Not a lot in the market today, but I suppose it's not the weather for it. Was it 7.5 degrees? Overcast. It's supposed to be sunny right now. I suppose whoever said that is sat above the clouds. Oh, the reason I keep opening and closing the thing is because obviously I didn't get the visor that fitted. I've tried some of that anti-mist stuff. I swear it's the company I used before, and that company was very good. This stuff is naff. When I get back, I'll have to remember what the bottle was. So what are your guys' ambitions for the year? What are you hoping to achieve? Any bikes you're looking at getting? Any bikes you're excited to try out? Or just see in a dealership and, you know, touch with your little fingers? I'm interested in that 5-cylinder MV Augusta. I want to hear it run. I've seen the engine. Now let's, you know, put it in something. And that V3 Honda, that I'm interested in as well. The different engine formats. Your non-standard. So obviously I'm on a triple, a V triple with a turbo. Excuse me, with a turbo. What was it? 170 horsepower for a 900cc, if I get that right. The styling is fine, but I just love the idea of it. Very excited. It's very excited indeed. No! He'll start practice for the jobby. Actually, I had this hill start on a nasty one the other day. It's one of those I didn't even click that you'd have to stop on it because it's always flowing traffic and they put temporary traffic lights there. Wow, that was awful. There's a nice hotel up there, the Lynx Hotel. Had me a problem there. Went to see a friend of mine and she told me that this Triumph sounds awful because of the high-pitched whine. Well, yeah, but it's a Triumph thing. It's what Triumph does. High-pitched whininess. Still recording, that's good. Sweet, I actually prefer it that open. It's not too cold. There'd probably been a time I'd be like, oh, 7 degrees, my face is frozen. I suppose I'd be more than 30 mile an hour, but there's a bit down there that's one way. And it's scary how many times I've seen someone going the wrong way. Yeah, down here. There's not even anywhere to go. Like, you can join at the other end and it's got big old, you know, no entries and that. Yeah, okay. I'll trust that corner if, you know, just in case. Can you see people go, oh, hold on a minute, and then instead of going, I'll try and reverse and, you know, fix it at the end where there's a wide junction, we'll keep coming down, or even just reversing there. They panic and shoot up there like a bat out of hell. for no reason other than they're idiots. Wait, when did this become a 40? Oh, it's always a 40, the 50's up there. Talking of idiots. Whee! Tally ho! Alright, that's not 50, but... eh. We actually had enough snowmen this year for there to be snowman on that green. They stayed for about 2 weeks. It was amazing. What made me laugh about that is people going, oh look, there's snow because of global warming. No, there always used to be snow, and then you said there's no snow because of global warming. Do you mean there's snow or no snow because of global warming? You can't say both. Also, I feel old because it's like, I'm old enough to remember when there was snow. Though it did snow like a bugger 6 years ago, and everyone seems to have forgotten about that. Well, everyone with no brain cells forgot about that. Everyone who's just like, oh yeah, I remember my car got stuck, or my wife made snow angels, or you know, the kids got lost in a drift. They remember. This bike is great for commuting. An absolute beauty. Though the wind noise is a bit intolerable. Right, I'm going to leave you guys here. Hopefully this footage sees the light of day. Hopefully the audio is not too bad. When I get a job, I will be resolving that. Time to bail out. Bye bye.